Om Swastiastu. Selamat petang semuanya sedon. Salam Rahayu. Hari ini Tiang coba mengingat pelajaran waktu SD dulu sambil belajar juga tentang agama Hindu, yaitu tentang ada yang namanya Trikayu Parisudo. Ya, Trikayu Parisudo itu berasal dari bahasa Sanskerta, ya, yang artinya tri itu artinya tiga, kayu itu artinya perbuatan, sudo itu artinya baik. Nah, jadi kayu parsudo itu kurang lebihnya tiga perbuatan yang baik. Nah, apa saja bagian-bagiannya itu ada yang namanya manaciko parsudo, ya, ada namanya wachiko parsudo, ada yang namanya kayuko parisudo. Nah, kira-kira seperti itu ya. Nah, according to Hindu's religion, yeah, now I try to remember what I have ever learned, what I have ever studied when I was elementary school. Yeah, yeah, it was 30 years ago, maybe 30 years ago. Yeah, when I was in school. Three kayu parisudo, yeah, came from Sanskrit word. Three means three or tiga. Yeah, kayu means behavior, action or attitude, something like that. And then sudo means good or generous or something like what is it, yeah, harness, something like that. So Trikayu Parisudo means there are three action, three good action, three good behaviors, something like that. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, like that. Yeah. So what are they? Yeah, there are three parts of Trikayu Parisudo. What are they? Apa aja? First, manaciko. Manaciko dasarnya itu kurang lebih mana itu pikiran means mind, our thought, yeah, that is manaciko. Yeah, so how we think, try to think positively, yeah, with our mind, yeah, always think positively. For example, if you become a student, maybe in the morning we have to think how to learn a good study, how to think positively about our school, something like that. Ya, kalau kita sebagai murid mungkin di rumah kita itu berpikirnya bagaimana tentang pelajaran kita, sekolah kita, seperti itu kira. Berpikirnya positif. And then mana artinya pikiran means mind, ya itu. Terus and then the second one, number second, wachiko wachen means bicara atau ngomong, or speak or talking, something like that. So how to speak nicely, how to speak politely, yeah. And then every time we speak, try to speak politely, yeah. So our speaking doesn't make the other disappointed, something like that. Try to speak politely to the others, and then the other people will feel happy to hear what we have said, like that. And then about speaking, yeah, maybe how we say sorry, yeah. For example, if we make mistake to the other people, we should say sorry, something like that. And then when we have already helped by the others, yeah, we should say something like thank you, yeah. And then when we need help to other people, yeah, when we need help to the others, we should say politely like, oh, please help me, something like that. So there are so far I know there are three things that we should say when we are talking, yeah, to make or to respect the people, like sorry, please help me, or thank you. Ya, kira-kira seperti itu. Manachiko itu berarti mana itu pikiran. Wachiko itu wajan itu berbicara, bagaimana perkataan yang keluar dari mulut itu senantiasa bisa membuat orang itu merasa nyaman, tidak tersinggung dengan apa yang kita bicarakan. Contohnya mungkin kita kalau minta tolong sama seseorang, kita bahasanya harus sopan, itu minta tolong seperti itu. Apabila kita membuat kesalahan, kita wajib meminta maaf, maaf seperti itu. Atau mungkin kalau kita sudah terbantu oleh seseorang, ya sudah diberi bantuan, kita seharusnya minta mengucapkan terima kasih. Terima kasih, ya, seperti itu kira-kira. Itu namanya washiko. Sedangkan yang terakhir, the last one, ya, kaiko. Kaiko means our action. This is the most important thing, our action. How do you act, how do you do something good in our daily life? Yeah, what do you usually do every day? Try to do something positively, act positively, something like that, and then try to do something that not hurt the other people. Yeah, if maybe you don't cheat any other, you don't lie any other. That is our action and our daily life. So we don't lie the other people. Mungkin tidak menipu, tidak menyurangi, tidak membohongi orang lain, seperti itu kegiatan kita sehari-hari. Kita berbuat yang baik. Nah, seperti itu kira-kira pengertiannya. Jadi antara pikiran, perkataan, dan perbuatan itu harus sejalan, ya, harus satu sejalan. Kadang susahnya kita itu beda di pikiran, beda di pengucapan, beda tingkah laku. Itu yang menjadi permasalahan. Ya, mohon maaf, banyak sekali sekarang orang-orang terjerumus di sini, hidup penuh dengan kepalsuan, ya. Kadang pikirannya A, ya, omongannya B, tapi yang dilakukan adalah C. Ini bahaya sekali ini. Tapi sebisa mungkin apa yang ada dalam pikiran itu yang kita ucapkan, itu yang kita lakukan, itu yang di action. Itu baru manusia kategori yang bagus. Tapi untuk zaman sekarang ini susah mencari yang seperti itu. Lain di mulut, lain di hati, lain perbuatan. Itu yang biasanya yang ada di realita kehidupan right now sekarang. So if I have to translate into English, ya, how to make sure between our mind, our talking, our speaking, and then our behavior should be same, ya, should be same, not different. But talking by this era globalization, it's difficult to find someone like that. Why? Because between their mind, their speaking, and their behavior, their action, sometimes are different. Yeah. So they are talking about A, but they do something like then in their mind they're thinking about A, and then what they speak, yeah, what comes out from their mouth, they say B, and then what they do C, something like that. So it's not one way, it's not same, but we try how to make it same, yeah, between our mind, our speaking, our mouth, and then our behavior. So how to be a good person like that. So by doing those things, yeah, we will be able to be trusted by the other people. But if you cannot do that, no one will trust you, no one will believe you, ya. Jadi kalau perkataan, pikiran, dan tingkah laku tidak sejalan, nanti orang tidak akan percaya sama kita. Jadi sebisa mungkin harus sejalan. Nah, itu kurang lebih seperti itu pengertian daripada Trikayo Parisudo yang pernah saya pelajari di waktu SD. Kurang lebihnya tolong ditambahkan. Matur suksemu. For those whoever maybe not Hindus, maybe I'm so sorry. This is our lesson, and then while practicing my English, I have to see this, and then if you have any question, maybe you can ask me on my under my Facebook or my column Facebook, yeah. So we can learn together something like that. So the point, how to be better, yeah. Our to be better, today is better than yesterday, and tomorrow will be better than today. Okay, thank you for being with me. See you in another video. Bye bye, have a nice Saturday night, yeah, if I'm not mistaken, Saturday night today, Saturday night, and tomorrow we will be free. Have Sunday morning, I have tomorrow, Sunday morning. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, see you next time. Om Santi 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 Om.